Welcome back. I'm Dylan with Beamer Tech, and I'm really amped to tell you about these from Alpha One. Get it? Anyway, here's our complete guide to our line of Alpha One amps by Beamer Tech. If you're tired of the sound, or lack of, in your BMW Mini or Supra, then you need an Alpha One amp by Beamer Tech. These amps completely outperform anything BMW can offer from the factory, from hi-fi to Harman Kardon. And these amps are completely plug and play with no cutting or splicing required. And most of our amps even come with custom mounting brackets, making installation a no-brainer. So with these three options, we offer audio solutions for over 97% of all BMWs.
While the installation on each vehicle may be a tad different, they generally just include getting access to the amp by removing some trim, removing the factory amp or accessing the RAM and booster modules on later model BMWs if applicable, installing the Alpha One amp, and you're done.
When you get your amp, you'll get a detailed set of PDF instructions walking you through the entire installation process, and chances are we even have a YouTube video of the installation of the amp on your vehicle, or at least a similar one, up on our YouTube channel. Now, installing this yourself is easy with our DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Toolkit, both of which are available on our website and come with all the tools you need and so much more to get the job done. Now, if you don't feel comfortable and don't want to install this yourself, well, you don't have to. You can find one of our certified installers near you. We have them listed on our website. And don't forget that if you are in the Orlando, Florida area, well, then stop on by and we can do it for you.
Each amp comes pre-tuned from Beamer Tech based on a questionnaire that you fill out once you place your order. This allows you to truly customize your audio experience to your type of music, your ears, and your BMW.
Let's go over each amp individually so you can learn a bit more about them, starting with this one right here. This is for bass, Hi-Fi 676, and Harman Kardon 674 equipped BMWs and Minis for most post-2006 model years. It also works with certain Supras.
This amp is a compact design that's completely plug and play. It delivers 710 watts RMS and 1,420 watts max power, which is 4 to 7 times the amount over stock. It has 9 output channels, which include one RCA line-level pre-out to drive an additional subwoofer amplifier. It can hold up to 10 tuning files that can be changed to fit musical preferences.
For more information about this amp, head on over to our website, link in the description of this video. This amp is specifically for post-2018 Harman Kardon Option 688 equipped BMWs with iDrive 7 or later. Now, you would think from the factory that these Harman Kardon BMWs would sound good, but they don't. They're still underpowered and in need of retuning.
This plug-and-play amp delivers 840 watts RMS and 1,680 watts max power, which is over 3 times the factory amp. It features 11 output channels, which includes one RCA line-level pre-out to drive an additional subwoofer amplifier. It can also hold up to 10 tuning files that can be changed to fit musical preferences.
For more detailed information about this amp, head on over to our website, link in the description of this video. Our newest amp is our Lightwave amp, a complete game changer offering an audio solution for pre-2018 and pre-iDrive 7 and MGU head unit BMWs with Harman Kardon, Hi-Fi Professional DSP, and individual audio. It also works with the Supras with the JBL audio system.
This amp is plug and play like the rest. It offers 2,300 watts max power, which is 3 times the stock power. It features 9 output channels, which includes one 800 watt max channel to drive a passive subwoofer instead of the center channel.
One of the most unique features about this amp are there are actually 2 ways to hook up an external sub. Now, the first way is just like our other amps, where we use the DSP-controlled RCA line out to send a low-pass filtered signal to your secondary amp or your active sub. Just add a fuse, power, and ground, an RCA cable, adjust the DSP profile, and you're done. The second method is something we rarely see possible in the car audio world, using the one speaker-level output channel capable of 400 watts RMS, 800 watts max power, which is clearly enough for a trunk sub. However, we do have to make a sacrifice and lose the center channel, but I think with the amount of bang you're getting for your buck, it's worth it. Now we do have an example of this type of installation on a 2016 X5, so to learn more about this amp and to go see that installation, go check out that video, link in the description. So there you have it, that's your quick overview guide to the Alpha One amps by BeamerTech. If you want to learn even more information about these amps, we have tons of videos on them on our YouTube channel, installs, overview, reactions, and so much more for each individual amp. And if you want to read more about them, head on over to our site, we have a bunch of articles on them as well. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supers, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.